is Anloland, just at the entrance where you see school children weaving. This is not child labor, we were told. This is actually something to keep them busy and not to loiter around. They come back from school at this time, do this for about 2 hours or 1.5 hours, and go back to their various home, take their bath, and then eat, rest, and then study. It continues on daily basis. Now, these are children from various schools, various families, but under one particular man who takes care of their needs, their feeding and everything. This has been going on for several years. He's trained a lot of them who are self-employed right now, we were told. We would like to speak with some of the children, at least two. We have only one girl among them, at least two of them, and then we'll speak with their master who is training them to be self-employed when they are out of school. Mind you, this is a fishing community where they also weave. So let's speak to some of them. I'm going to take this off. This is the leader. What is your name?
Wanda.
So tell us what you do here.
I'm come from a friend, my grandpa.
Okay.
Where I am doing weaving Kente in Anloland. I come from do Anloland doing Kente by my grandpa.
So you go to school and then you come back and weave?
Yes. If I'm going to school, I'll come back and come and do it.